So hello guys, I'll give you a walkthrough of the smart farm application that I created. The smart farm application basically monitors the farm. So for this particular program, we're going to monitor temperature and humidity in the field. And also display them in our dashboard. So you can put as many microcontrollers as you want, depending on how your farm is, the size of the farm. So I'll just start by a simple user registration. So I'll just give, I'll say new user two at gmail.com. Let me just call it new user two because I already have new user one. And then new user two at gmail.com. Okay. So just register like that, and then I'll give a very simple password and then click on create a user. So what we expect is that this particular new user will not have any information because we just created them now. So we'll just try to log in as new user two, and then I'll put the simple password that I actually placed. So it is signing in, and then you see that that particular user has no device. So to speed up things, you can actually add devices. You put the device name and the device code. So the device code will be on that particular device. And then the device number, if you're putting in the first device on your platform, then you put device number one. And depending on the number, where and the location on which you're doing the monitoring, you also write the location and also the crop type. So all these are are fields that you can type and later on and add. So we'll just go to a user that already exists. So I'll just log out, and then I'll log in with my own information, which is I'll use GitHub, and then I'll put in again a simple password that I already pre-registered with. So I'll just sign in and voila. So this particular user has several devices. So I'm using MongoDB for storing these data sets. So you can see that I just wrote some names, if it is a code, and then the power state will be displaying if the device is on and off. And then, this is the first device, the second device. And then you see you have different locations. So if you have microcontroller in Kino, Garissa, any other place, so you just specify, and the type of crop that you're actually monitoring. So this particular API key, you will configure it when you're uploading, when you're onboarding your microcontroller. But since I had already done, let us see what I was able to achieve with trailblazing device. So if I view that particular device, you'll see that we collected the temperature, humidity, and the soil moisture quantity at that particular field. So these are actually the last readings that were logged into the platform. And then you can see every time the data, the website kind of fetches the data to see if there any new incoming data set. So we have made the plottings of temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. So these are the timestamps. So you can do a lot of this, a lot of things with that. So just proceed to log it out. Thank you so much for your time.